Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So on today's video, we are right here on my vanity space, and I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted to see a video of what my vanity looks like and give you guys a little tour. So we are doing this today. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and just before we start, I do want to mention that I am not trying to brag or anything like that, in no way, shape, or form. And I'm just doing this for fun. I did worked hard on this vanity set, like most people do. Not, it just doesn't come up out of nowhere. Like it takes time, and I just wanted to show you guys my vanity space because why not? Like, if you want to be a metiche and see what I have, then just keep on watching. And let's get started. So this is what my vanity setup looks like. Um, I did get the tabletop is from IKEA, and so are the Alex drawers, and then those drawers over there, as you can see, they're also from IKEA. This mirror right here that you see is from Home Goods. I think I got it like around $100. I'm not sure. I'll try to list everything down in the description box. I'll try to find something similar to that if I can't find it. But the mirror is from Home Goods. And then this little stool thing is from Home Goods as well. And we're going to get started right in this corner over here. This frame is so cute. It's from Ross, and I really like it. Over on this corner, I have this jewelry box right there, and I just put some of my jewelry in there. Just have some random, and then I have some makeup brushes there. These brush holders are actually from IKEA, and they are used to be for potting or plant, whatever you want to call it. This is also from TJ Maxx. It's rose water. And then moving on over here, this is from Home Goods. And these flowers are really nice, and it just makes it add a cute look. And yeah, so this is what this corner looks like. And so we're going to move on to the rest of the vanity right over here. So I do keep my straightener there, and I got this mat from Walmart, and it's supposed to work for your like strainers and curling iron, so keeps it safe, you know. And then I have some beauty blenders in here, which are clean. And then I also have some liquid lipsticks over on that side, and those are from Line Crime. And we are going to move over to this side. So this is from Amazon. I bought it off Amazon. I'll try to list it down below. I can't remember how much that was, but I will link everything down below. And I just have some of my most used makeup in here. I got a chapstick. I got my oils there, and some Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks. And right over here, I keep mostly all my concealers. And there's more right there as well. And then I have some Busy Art palettes that fit there. Some liquid lipsticks by Kylie. And then I have more concealers there as well. And then moving on to mascaras. And then over here I have some Q-tips. This mirror is actually from, I want to say, the beauty box. Over here I do have all my setting sprays that I use. And then I have my brushes. I have this little ring light, as you can see. I do have more brushes, but I washed them and so they're not there, but I need to put them up there. And then we are moving on to this one right here. This is also from the beauty box. I got it at IMAX. And I have some Jeffree Star Smashbox, Anastasia, and some Rose Primer. And that's what it looks like. And then I also have some of my Dose of Colors and Stila, which I really like. And then I also have some MAC, Anastasia, Fenty. And over here I have my mirror. That one is from Jeffree Star Cosmetics and it's so cute. Look at this. So we're going to move on to these drawers over on this side. And I mostly have stuff in here that's kind of like random. I really don't use it, but we're going to get started. So on the top one I have all these chokers and just random stuff. I'll show you guys a little bit. And so yeah, here's some chokers and just jewelry that I like to keep here. And then on my second drawer I have more jewelry that I keep in here. That's it. So on my third drawer I have more makeup. And this is makeup that I don't use on a daily basis. Some of these are just empty boxes that I keep for decor whenever I want to switch it up or what. And then so I do have like some lipsticks, eyeshadows, single eyeshadows, glitters, and MAC. This is just where I keep all of that stuff in here. And then I have a makeup bag in there as well. So that's that. And we are going to move on to the next drawer. So the next drawer here, I have all my makeup bags that I mostly just use whenever I travel. So I have these, and then I have the Jeffree Star brush bag, and then this one, and then this is a Victoria's Secret bag, which I really like the color. So these are just in there. I do have my hair extensions in here. I haven't found a place to put them, but then I have a Violet Voss palette in there that I got in my Boxy Luxe a few months back. And then in here I have just some more organizing stuff in here. And then I also have some towels that I like to use when I do my makeup. I have my curling iron in here and some wax strips in here that I use. And then I have a mini straightener back here, which is so tiny. So I just keep everything in here. It's kind of messy. And then on my last drawer, I have some candles from Bath and Body Works. I love their candles, and I mostly have winter scents because that's when I like to burn my candles. Like, who wants to burn their candles in the summer? It's freaking hot. So now we're gonna move on to these Alex drawers on the next to the big one that I have there. So on the first drawer I have all my bronzers, and it's kind of messy, but we have some Kylie Cosmetics, some Fenty Beauty, Kat Kat Von D, CoverGirl, MAC, Benefit, Hula Bronzer. I have a Tarte palette in here, which I really like as well. And then, yeah, these are just all my bronzers. And we're going to move on to the second drawer, which I have all my blushes. I have some e.l.f. Tarte Cosmetics. I love Tarte's blushes. They're so nice and they stay on all day. And then I also have some Benefit palettes, some Maybelline, the Jaclyn Hill by Becca palette in here. And that's pretty much it for this drawer. Now we're going to move on to my favorite drawer, which is my highlighting palette. And all my highlighters are in here. So we have some Physicians Formula, Lancome, LA Girl, Wet n Wild, some NYX, some Becca, and then back here I have some Jeffree Star, MAC, ColourPop, some Bobbi Brown. This is kind of beat up, but yeah. So now we're going to move on to the next drawer, which is the lashes that I have. For now, it's kind of messy. So these are just lashes that I have bought in like at Fame Expo, IMAX, and all of those goodies. I have some House of Lashes, Cocoa Lashes, and Huda Beauty. And then these are just like from Be Bella. They were $1, I believe. I don't know. I just kind of keep all my lashes in there in place. So yeah. And then we're going to move on to the next drawer. So on my next drawer, as you can see, it's pretty messy. I do have a lot of makeup wipes. I mostly keep all my samples in here and mascaras that are not open, that I haven't used. I have some e.l.f. line define tapes. Those are really good for your eyeshadow or your eyeliner, which I really like. Okay. Over on this side, I have all my styling tools in there. I do have that mirror as well. I haven't placed it anywhere because I do have a lot of mirrors. And that one does connect. So I'm trying to find a way to connect it and just make it all work. But for now, it's just been there. And so, yeah. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the other drawers. And then on my first drawer, this is also my favorite one because I have all my lip colors in here, as you can see. And I have some Anastasia, some MAC, Wet n Wild, Kat Von D, Sephora liquid lipstick. I have ColourPop. And then I have all my lip liners. So yeah, I mostly keep all my lip products in this drawer if I can, but as you can see, I don't have that much room. So, yeah. We are gonna move on to the second drawer, which I have some palettes. I have the I Love Sarai Through My Eyes, the Rivera palette, the I Love Sarai Dose of Colors, the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3, and then all the Anastasia palettes, the Norvina palette, soft palette, and the Kristen Dominic Latte palette. This is my favorite palette. Then I have Dream Street Kathleen Lights palette as well. In my third drawer, I have all my foundations in here. I have some primers in here as well, some MAC, some L'Oreal, some Clinique, Tarte Cosmetics, some Elsie NARS, and it is pretty messy. I do have more stuff over here, like concealers, just eyeliners and stuff like that, eyeshadow primers. I'm trying to figure out how to keep this organized because it does get messy pretty quick. But for now, this is what I have going on. And yeah. So moving on to the next drawer, we have some more palettes, which it's kind of messy. As you can see, I'm a messy person when it comes to stuff like this. So trying to stay organized is pretty hard. But I have some Bad Habit palettes here. These are all Bad Habit. And then I have some Kylie Cosmetics ColourPop, the Nicole Concealio palette. And then Jaclyn Hill, some Lime Crime palette. And yeah, that's what I have. So moving on to the next drawer. I have more palettes. I have the Morphe palette, the Pure Cosmetics, and then I have this Sephora palette that I've been working on, and then Lorac, the Manny MUA palette by Makeup Geek, some Wet n Wild, Stila, and then this is, what is this, Sugar Pill eyeshadow. I really haven't tried that, but it's really nice. And yeah, so that's what I have, guys. Alright, you guys, so that wraps up this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below so that way you don't miss any of my videos. I will be trying to upload more often as I can, but definitely don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the little bell notification so that way you are notified when I post another video, and stay tuned for more. See you guys all in the next one. Bye.